Hi, I'm David Gardner, co-founder of the Motley Fool and Chief Rule Breaker. There's a wonderful book, a 2010 title by Matt Ridley called The Rational Optimist. I'm reading it right now. He dropped by Fool HQ a few weeks ago and talked about it, and I'm inspired to read all the way through the book, which is not true of that many books these days. But Matt Ridley makes a compelling case for the growth of the world in terms of our economy, our technology, happiness. Almost every important measure has been on an incredible growth pattern over the last 2,000 years. And even in just the last 50 years versus 1955, people today live 1/3 longer and make 3 times as much money adjusted for inflation. So what we're really talking about when you step out of the economic morass that we find ourselves in at present is an amazing growth story worldwide. And I think the best way to play that as an investor is to own technology companies, companies that are providing better goods or better services using, in particular, technology as a weapon. There are many companies that fit this bill. Think about a relatively recent IPO like OpenTable, where we're booking our restaurant reservations quicker and more effectively, finding restaurants that are more pleasing to us just thanks to something that we can do on our iPhone. Or how about Intuitive Surgical, one of my favorite stocks from Rule Breakers, the company that is really revolutionizing how surgery is done, making it much quicker for patients, making it safer, and also getting you off the hospital, out of the hospital faster. These are all happening because of technology. And I know it's easy in this time of losing jobs, which has occurred so much over the last 3 years, or we just hear about dark forecasts, people saying we're in a depression right now. It's easy to get too caught up in the trees, but the real reality here is that a lot of these great companies are growing, and they're using technology as a weapon, and we own these stocks. And I'll toss out one more pick. It's not always a company that deploys technology. How about a company like Titanium Metals, which is a Motley Fool Stock Advisor pick, which has a real leadership in that important metal, which is in everything from semiconductors right through to big airplanes. So you have an amazing opportunity right now as an investor to open your eyes, realize what's happening out there, and grab a growing franchise. There are a lot out there, even in a bad economic time. I think you'll look back 5 years from now and be glad you spent this time with me in our 120.